I heard the government's putting chips in people. I really hope I get Doritos.
Not going there.
What's going on, man? What's going on with you?
Where you going? Where you going?
To the bathroom.
I wouldn't go in there.
Why?
Because it's monsters.
Monsters?
Yeah.
Really? You know what
No, you know.
Right there, monsters. What's it?
Gentlemen, you see sometime when a woman tell us a monster in a bathroom, or no fi believe. But as them say, who can hear, must feel.
Ah! Yeah, right. Mom.
Okay, alright, let's not smell that bad. I do kind of smell like roses. Oh my god, babe! Oh my god, are you okay? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong?
Look at the smell.
Wait. What the fuck? Hold on, I think I burned your shit on. Are you fucking kidding me?
Last night, a chick asked me for $100 like it was an egg sandwich. Egg sandwich, just to fuck. $100. $100, me with two good hands. Remember the war, fellas?
Warning! Warning! It's your mother-in-law! Your mother-in-law is calling you now!
I'm good. The number you have dialed is either unattended or out of coverage area. Please try your call later.
Boy, me really feel sorry for that brother here. Look like him did want turn on some agony, but things backfire upon him. It look like him in agony instead.
Alright, bro, you sure these things work, though?
Yes, bro, I'm trying to tell you. All you have to do, pop one of them bad boys in, you gonna be in that thing all night long, player.
Alright, I'm gonna tell you how it goes, man. Whew. Here we go, baby. Ugh.
I'm on my period. This is such a good movie. You want some?
That's all, folks.